Got here is a Emco Maximat Super 11 lathe. Start the master start button here, and then we have a 1-speed there, it's 2-speed motor. We have another higher speed here, and we have power traverse here. Pull this lever out, turn it around, wiggle it around a little bit. I'm going to go in there. Oh, it goes down to going cross feed, not up. There we go. Cross feed lever, little arrow on here. And we go the other way. So line some gears up or something you're wrong. There it goes. Cross feed there. Okay. You got reverse here, reverse high speed. It's in high range right now. Oh, push it in. It's a low range here. Low speed there. High and low. Got it in the other high speed here. And you got these feeds down here. I'd rather have it really get going there. That's a high speed. That must be 2200 RPM right there, yep. We got all these feeds down here. I'd rather get more speeds. Barely turning now. B, C, oh, that must be B. Arrow's in the wrong spot. That's A, that's C, and that's B down there. This arrow's in the wrong spot for some reason. The arrow appears to be in the right spot for the other feeds. There's 2, 4, 1, 5, and 3. So we've gone through all the gears on it. In order to get the threading attachment going here, you need to engage this clutch right here. Since we were running it at high speed, you're not supposed to run this at high speed. The spindle here, I'd have to re-engage that, but I'm sure that works great. We have a follow rest here, and it's got a thread cutting tool in it right now. And we got a steady rest back there. It's got a live center and a 3-jaw chuck. What's in it currently here is a 4-jaw chuck. okay.